Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best laser pointers on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Logitech Cat Laser Automatic Interactive Toy. Well, since there are so many popular toy brands in the market, Logitech also offers a decent laser pointer option that can be highly entertaining for your cat or dog. It features about 5 different circling modes and 2 different speed modes that are good enough to create several random patterns for your pet to play with. The operation of this laser pointer is pretty quiet as it features a silent motor. Moreover, it also comes with an automatic timer function that turns it on every 3 hours for 15 minutes, then shuts it off automatically as well. Using this laser light toy is quite simple, as all you need to do is place it on a table or shelf, and insert 4 AA batteries in it. Apart from that, if you don't have AA batteries, this laser pointer can also be powered using a USB cable. Pros: the motor is very quiet. Compact size. Easy to use. Cons: build quality is average. Number 2. Our second best pick is Logitech Cat Laser Toy. Logitech is one of the most renowned brands in the market and is highly popular for making computer peripherals like mice, keyboards, laser pointers, etc. Hence, if you are looking for a high-quality presentation pointer, this option from Logitech is the most premium option you can pick. Everything about this laser pointer presenter is quite amazing, whether it's the features or its build quality. It uses the 2.4 GHz RF wireless technology and comes with a USB receiver that offers up to 50 feet of wireless range. Apart from that, there's no need to install any software to use this presenter, as it works right away as soon as you plug in the receiver. On the presenter, there are dedicated buttons that help you control the presentation as you want. Speaking of power, it takes 2 AA batteries that offer a really long-lasting power backup to this laser pointer. Pros: ergonomic and comfortable design. Has intuitive touch keys. Build quality is quite impressive. Cons: expensive. Number 3. Our third best pick is Doloedy Cat Laser Toy. In case you are looking for a handheld laser pointer, you can consider this hefty option from Doloedy, which comes for an attractive price range and has brilliant build quality as well. This laser pointer is extremely handy as it's just the size of a standard pen and comes in a sturdy stainless steel shell. In fact, using it is quite easy as it requires no AA batteries. Instead, it comes with a USB connector at the back that you can plug directly into a wall charger or laptop, or power bank to charge it directly. The laser pointer also has a rotating knob at the front that helps you cycle between 5 different laser patterns. Apart from the laser light, it is also capable of throwing black light, and also comes with a standard flashlight as well. So, it's a multi-purpose toy, or say a tool that you can use. Pros: build quality is quite impressive. The flashlight is pretty bright. Handy design. Cons: no mention about the warranty. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is PetDroid Boltz motion-activated cat laser toy. Coming up next, we have another toy brand, PetDroid, that makes quite interesting toys, and this laser pointer is surely one of the best options if you want one for your pets. This is a hands-free toy, so even if you are not around, it can keep your pets busy playing with it. It features a built-in advanced thermal object induction sensor that automatically detects if someone is around, and turns on the laser light. There are 2 modes available on this laser light, fast and slow mode, which keeps your pets engaged all the time. On the other hand, there's no need to use any AA batteries as it comes with its own inbuilt rechargeable battery. In about 3 hours, you can charge it to full capacity, and it can work for 3 hours continuously afterward. Pros. Easy to use. Hands-free operation. No AA batteries needed. Cons. Charging time is a bit long. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is KNORWII Cat Laser Pointer. We have yet another interesting presentation pointer left to discuss. It is offered by KNORWII, which is a well-known brand and sells its product for really attractive and competitive prices. Speaking of its design, it comes with a clip at one end that allows you to keep it in your pocket like a pen. Moreover, the build quality of the presenter is very good as it's made from high-quality materials. On top of that, you get dedicated page up and page down buttons on this presenter along with volume buttons on the side. In addition, it also features a black screen button that can also be used to switch tabs. Apart from these few features, there's a dedicated button for the laser pointer which has a decent range of up to 660 feet. If we talk about its performance, the presenter requires no additional software and starts working as soon as you plug in the USB receiver. Moreover, it's equipped with a high-quality microchip that offers you a control distance of up to 330 feet. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.